Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are diving into an exciting tutorial how to build complex icons with simple shapes in Photoshop. Begin with basic geometry shapes like circles, rectangles and rounded squares. Combine them using the path operations panel. Merge overlapping areas to form unified icon components. Now adjust anchor point using direction selection for custom curves. Duplicate consistent shapes to maintain design uniformity. Use align tool to keep spacing mathematically accurate. Apply a single color fill for minimalist icon style. Add a thin consistent stroke around the icon for clarity. Modify corner radius to soften the